Most common surname of different countries. Indonesia, the famous surname of Sari. South Korea, the famous surname of Kim. Turkey, the famous surname of Yilmaz. France, the famous surname of Martin. Sweden, the famous surname of Ederson. UK, the famous surname of Smith. Netherlands, the famous surname of De Jong. Azerbaijan, the famous surname of Mamadov. Czech Republic, the famous surname of Novake. Vietnam, the famous surname of Nguyen. Romania, the famous surname of Popa. Japan, the famous surname of Sato. Mexico, the famous surname of Hernandez. Italy, the famous surname of Rossi. Sri Lanka, the famous surname of Pereira. Germany, the famous surname of Muller. Israel, the famous surname of Cohen. Portugal, the famous surname of Silva. Denmark, the famous surname of Nilsson. Bangladesh, the famous surname of Akhtar. Hungary, the famous surname of Nagy. Norway, the famous surname of Hansen. Nepal, the famous surname of Rai. Ireland, the famous surname of Murphy. China, the famous surname of Wang. Russia, the famous surname of Ivanov. India, the famous surname of Devi. Poland, the famous surname of Novak. Ukraine, the famous surname of Melnik. Thailand, the famous surname of Sitang. Finland, the famous surname of Koronen. Spain, the famous surname of Gracia. Philippines, the famous surname of De La Cruz. Canada, the famous surname of Smith. Pakistan, the famous surname of Khan. Egypt, the famous surname of Muhammad. USA, the famous surname of Smith.